Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up HubSpot Outbound calling. Are you looking to streamline your communication process and connect with contacts directly from your HubSpot dashboard? Setting up outbound calling in HubSpot can be a game changer for your communication strategy. It's an essential feature that allows you to efficiently manage and reach out to your contacts without leaving the platform. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to leverage this powerful tool, making your interactions smoother and more effective. So, if you're ready, let's get started and simplify your HubSpot experience together. First things first, let's head over to HubSpot. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the interface. Whether you're new to HubSpot or it's been a while since your last visit, a quick look around can help you get acclimated again. HubSpot is renowned for its intuitive and user-friendly design, making tasks like setting up calling features much easier to handle. Now, let's move on to the settings. You'll find this by looking for the gear icon, which is usually situated in the main navigation bar. Clicking on it will open up a wide range of options. These settings are like the control center of HubSpot, allowing you to customize and optimize various features to suit your organizational needs. From the left-hand menu, you'll see a variety of options. Our focus today is on the calling section. This particular area is dedicated to setting up and managing the calling feature. By configuring this, you can significantly enhance how you handle communications directly from your HubSpot dashboard. Clicking on the calling option will lead you to a new page designed specifically for configuring your calling settings. Once you're in the calling section, you're almost at the finish line. Look for a button or link labeled Get Started. This process is designed to be seamless and intuitive, guiding you through setting up your calling preferences without any hassle. You'll find that the setup process is quite flexible, allowing for customization according to your specific business needs or personal preferences. This ensures that you're optimizing your communications as much as possible. And there you have it. Your HubSpot calling feature is now ready to use. This robust tool will greatly streamline your workflow, allowing you to interact with clients or leads seamlessly from your HubSpot dashboard. By proactively setting up tools like these, you not only enhance efficiency, but also strengthen your communication strategies within the CRM. Don't forget that HubSpot offers tremendous support and documentation if you encounter any issues along the way. Be sure to explore other features available in HubSpot that could further optimize your business processes. That's it for this tutorial on how to set up HubSpot Outbound Calling. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.